Side nigga, we are back for another video. Okay, we are going to watch top 10 players whose fathers are way better than they actually were. So Steph Curry, not as good as Del Curry. Yeah, that's gonna be on. No, but real talk. Ooh, I'm drilling the shit now. But real talk, they should have Del Curry and then Seth Curry. Because Seth Curry, you're not better than Del Curry. But yeah, basically his fathers who are way better than their sons. So Doc Rivers, Austin Rivers, gonna be on here. Fuck you, man. All right, let's get it started. Let's get it. They should have Lonzo and LeVar on here, because Lonzo is definitely not better than LeVar. Fuck you mean LeVar is better than Jordan, nigga? Fuck you mean LeVar is the greatest basketball player to ever do it, nigga? Oh, his son Ralph's. Oh, damn, you're trash. Damn. Oh, you're really bad. Damn, your dad is Ralph Simpson and you couldn't even get in the league? That's how you know you're bad. Yeah, Glenn Rice was nasty. Yeah, three-time NBA All-Star. Yeah, All-Star MVP. Yeah, he looks like a coon. Yep. Got some coon activity. Oh, 2 seasons. Okay. But only played in 16 games in 2 seasons. Okay. Okay. Hershey Hawkins. Never even heard of your little nasty ass, so I know your son's not good. Played in 4 NBA teams in 13 seasons. All rookie and an NBA All-Star once in 14 seasons. That's not that good. Had him in 2 preseason games. And then they were like, yeah, this isn't going to work out. We guys. Hell no. Okay, 6th man of the year. That's not bad. And they both trash. Both undrafted. Both trash as hell. Pro basketball overseas is for all the trash niggas. But don't get me wrong, all of them are still better than me. Juan Howard, yeah. With the Heat, thanks to, yeah, right. Yeah, he barely got him 2 rings. Barely. He rolled LeBron's cot to 2 rings. Played in the summer league. He hasn't been drafted yet. He's pretty trash. Yeah, Spanish leagues, French leagues. Get in where you fit in. Weak ass. Now let me stop talking shit. I'm not even on that with you guys. This is just banter. Oh, he was the 1st overall pick. Damn. That little ugly ass thing was the 1st overall pick? Oh! That's Klay'S dad? I just said the ugly ass nigga with the #1 overall pick, and that's Klay'S dad. I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Yeah, Klay's better than Michael Thompson, but yeah, Klay's other brother, yeah, that's the dumb version. That's the stupid version of Klay. That's the ugly version of Klay. Fuck you mean? That's the non-successful version of Klay. That's the. Nah, I'm off that one. I'm off that. Let's just keep it moving. Hell no. Yeah, you're not getting in the NBA. You're not getting in the NBA. That nigga look just like Klay. That nigga ugly. Sean Kemp is a 6-time, 3-time All-NBA 2nd team who played in the NBA for 14 seasons. Cool. Son went undrafted. Yeah. That nigga didn't even look good. Would he play on Washington? Was that Washington Huskies, Gary Payton? The glove? Yeah, Gary Payton might make it to the Hall of Fame. Okay. His son looks nothing like him. To be honest. Is his son in the league? Hell nah. Patrick Ewing, the nigga that got dunked on. First overall. Oh, okay. Rookie of the year. All NBA, all defensive team. Y'all gotta stop naming all your kids juniors in the second. Even though I'm the second, but I'm not named after my dad, though. It skipped a generation. Y'all name your sons these, and then they gotta fill up to your potential, so then it just makes them look even weaker when they don't. Because you named them the same shit. You know what I'm saying? So it makes them look even weaker when they don't compare. Name them something else, man. don't name a second of the junior. John Stockton. Oh, so they didn't get on that with Austin Rivers. They should have got on that with Austin Rivers, little ugly ass. Yeah, you're trash. Yeah, you're super trash. David Stockton, you don't even look like you're supposed to be playing basketball. You look like you're supposed to be selling stocks, boy. Now I'm finna heat your ass, boy. Fuck you mean? You look like you're supposed to be on the golf course. Fuck you mean? You look like you're supposed to be fucking... I don't know. I'm out of jokes.
Here's the alley-oop back for the ball. Stockton. And Stockton. Oh, put it in the bucket, send it to the line.
Okay, Stockton. Good take. Good steak. Weak ass. Ugly ass. Hurting ass. Alright, y'all. That's going to do it. I'm going to leave a link to our Hoops Funds channel description. Be sure to go check them out. They didn't have Steph Curry and Del Curry on here. They should have definitely put Steph on here. Didn't have LeVar and Lonzo on here. Definitely should have put Lonzo on here because you know LeVar is better than Michael Jordan. But really, they should have got on that with Austin Rivers' ass. They didn't want to get on that with Austin Rivers' ass. They cut Austin Rivers some slack. I would have got on his ass. Personally, I don't have anything against Austin Rivers. Don't get me wrong, in high school, Austin Rivers was fucking nasty. Pros, not so much. Anyways, that's going to do it. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link to Hoop Funds channel in the description. Be sure to go check them out. Tell them I always sent you. Till next time, it's been your motherfucking boy. Oh, beside, nigga, leave a like if you enjoy, subscribe if you know we do this every single motherfucking day. Tweet me more ideas, Instagram to me, all that out here fun cool shit. Giveaway coming very, very soon, like a few weeks. Till next time, it's been your boy, open side nigga. Oh, and I don't have a Snapchat, so if you see anybody on Snapchat pretending to be me, it's not me. I don't have a fucking Snapchat. All right, okay, cool. I'm not